Right. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Not done it for a while, but earlier this week me and Dean walked the Derwent Valley Heritage Way, which was really good, just before all this mad floods. This is only going to be my second run this week today, that's what I'm out for now. I brought my camera just to see if I can capture anything, any of the floods. I mean, I'm a bit behind really. I think the worst of it was probably yesterday, but we have had still, I mean, it's still just spitting now and it's been raining all morning. Yeah, here we are. I'm on the old railway bridge here. That should be a road down there. So that's nice and flooded. I believe someone actually rescued someone out of here in a car the other day. Yeah, that's super flooded down there. What's that over there, look? Not sure. Yeah, crazy weather. Yeah, maybe before the run starts we could just go check that out, shall we? Let's go and have a look through the trees and see if we can see what that is. It looks like some kind of trailer or something. Yeah, seriously flooded. Can use this bit of a warm up. Got my coat on. It's not freezing, but it is quite cold. Oh, here we are. Let's go through this gap. Yep, that's the car. Look at that. So that's easily 3 to 4 foot deep just there. You'd have to swim through that. This is honestly the worst I've ever seen it. That does flood there anyway, but I've never seen it that bad. And someone said the end of Limby Trail is pretty dire as well. They said it's impassable, so I've commented back like, challenge accepted. That could easily be knee deep or more if it's not subsided. We're gonna go find out. Let's get this run going. There we go. And we're off. I'll bring you back when there's some more flood news. Nice cold feet now. We're only a few metres in really. Here we are, look. Probably avoid some of it. The grate's off. Molly just fell inside. Well, this is the damage. What? Wow, I've never seen anything like this. It's the worst it's ever been. Look at that. Power of nature. Here we go. Boom. That's eroded. What? Nearly a foot. Could easily be a foot. That's the whole path. Gouged apart by the power of the water. Insane. I've put an extra brook in the middle of the path. Never seen it that bad before. It's eroded a groove before, but nothing on this scale. It's all been deposited here. Absolutely crazy. 24 hours of rain, maybe a bit over 30 hours of rain, and this is what'll happen. Crazy. So all the way from that farmer's bridge all through here is basically stream running. Dog's gotta swim. Look at this. It's over ankle depth. I said to that guy, challenge accepted. There's no way I can run through it, but we're having a fast wade. Oh look, knee height. This is actually insane. Let's just see if it really is impassable. Have you ever seen Limby Trail like this before? I certainly haven't. It's above knee height now. It's getting dangerously crotch height. I really hope I don't get that far or fall over in it. This is insane. I'm actually trying to walk on me tiptoes a bit now. Oh, that's getting really close. Wow. Crazy. Poor Molly. Poor Molly's swimming in it. Things I do to my poor dog. Oh, my legs are getting really cold. But my nuts have survived. I'm coming to the end now. Wow, look at the tops of these posts, look. This is outrageous. Ooh, I'm not quite sure we are going to survive. This is the last bit. Now it should start going uphill here. Look, the bench! The bench is completely under. Oh, we're coming out. We're coming out. Wow, that was quite something. That was quite something. Jesus Christ. Right, let's get, oh, wow. Woohoo! Freedom! Coming through Limby. Now yesterday, around these white little fences, there's a couple of brooks in there. Now the water was literally up to the top of there yesterday when I drove through here, and it was flowing over the edge. This road, what I'm on now, the water was raging down here all the way. Crazy. So yeah, it looks like I missed out on getting out in the video, but yeah, it was mad. This brook's particularly full. It's normally a bit of a trickle. Crazy. Bit more possible storm destruction there with that big huge branch snapped off, look. Looks like some of these vehicles here are stranded from yesterday's flood. You can see how people have been up the verges, all the deposited mud. These are probably driving too fast through it or too deep. They've obviously drawn water in, and I'm glad I turned around. They didn't come this far. I turned around back in Limby, thought I'm not risking it. It's not worth getting stuck. Ooh, nice downhill section this, but because this loop is like an outdoor woods around and back, Molly, I'll have to run back up it as well. Now she's just legged it after a squirrel. Bye, Mo. Molly, come on. Whew. There we go, 14.5 miles at a 9:44 pace. Yeah, that's not too bad considering I waded through all that floods and I've been filming. And I don't know if it's because of the bit cooler and wet, but I must have stopped for about 10 million wheeze as well. I don't even think I drank that much this morning. Don't know where it all come from. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Yesterday might have been a slightly more impressive flood display, but just ran out of time yesterday. So hope you enjoyed this. Thanks everyone for liking, commenting and subscribing to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.